Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your GTX 1660 Super. First, ensure your computer's power supply meets the minimum 450 watt requirement for stable operation. Carefully open your PC case and locate an available PCIe X16 slot on your motherboard. Gently insert the graphics card until it's fully seated. Finally, connect the necessary 6-pin or 8-pin power cable from your power supply to the card, ensuring a secure connection. This physical installation is the crucial first step. Once your card is physically installed, the next step is driver installation. Visit the official NVIDIA website to download the latest drivers specifically for your GTX 1660 Super. Run the downloaded installer, and you'll typically have options for an express or custom installation. An express install is usually fine, but custom allows you to deselect optional software. After the installation finishes, a system restart is often required to finalize the process and ensure everything functions correctly. With drivers installed, it's time to configure and test your new graphics card. Open the NVIDIA control panel, usually accessible by right-clicking on your desktop. Here, you can adjust display settings like resolution and refresh rate. To test performance, run a demanding game or a benchmarking tool. Pay close attention to in-game frame rates and monitor your GPU temperatures to ensure the card is operating within safe limits and performing as expected. To get the most out of your GTX 1660 Super, optimize your settings. In the NVIDIA control panel, you can set power management to prefer maximum performance and adjust texture filtering quality. Experiment with in-game graphics settings to find the best balance between visual quality and frame rates. Also, ensure your monitor's refresh rate is set correctly for the smoothest possible visuals. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.